Obviously, Uncle Ted didn't read the fine print. Ages 10 years or older. Miranda, how old are you? How old? How old are you?
2.
Are you 2? Are you 10?
11.
11? Are you wild?
Yeah, a wild child.
You're a wild child?
This is stuck on my head. This is stuck on my head.
You know what?
What?
There's bugs in that bag.
I got out. It's stuck on,
Hey,
it's stuck on my foot.
hey, look here. Say thank you, Uncle Ted. Say thank you, Uncle Ted.
Thank you, Uncle Ted.
Say thank you, Aunt Heather.
Thank you, Aunt Heather.
And look here, one more thing.
Whoa.
Miranda,
What?
say thank you, Aurelia.
Thank you, Olivia.
And tell 'em Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I love you.
I love you. Whoa. I'm crossing on the bus being alarm.
Okay.
And because I'm falling.
You're falling.
Yeah, on the bridge.
Okay.
And it's falling like a horse.
Okay.
Nay, 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 nay.
Oh my gosh.
Nay, 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 nay.
Hey, Miranda.
Nay, nay, nay.
Shh.
What?
Daddy's trying to sleep. Shh. Are you sad?
Yeah,
Why are you sad?
because you tell me I don't want to play with my horse anymore.
You can play with your horse, you just don't be loud, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Love you. Hey, I love you.